Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRTXQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, higher highs and higher lows. The uptrend continues. Did this analysis previously, so that is where the green line here is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. And the first is just more so an adjustment. And the direction, or the question becomes, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And at this point, now that we have more data, I'm going to actually zoom in here a little bit more. One of the newest levels of support, I'm going to go ahead and adjust right up here to that area at, let's see, what is that? 0.019. And as you just saw, I had to adjust that level of support higher. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted higher, that's definitely a step in the right direction. That's what you want to see. You want to see price movements making progress, and quote unquote progress being when levels of support need to be adjusted higher and then higher. So that's going to be the key level to watch from the near term. And I say the near term just because it's not like if the price falls below that area, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above that level, that would certainly be a very impressive sign of strength moving forward. Taking a step back though and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And that's very helpful because in the big picture point of view, as I've talked about in the past, when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.019 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of support, as I said previously, and I'll continue to say, as far as levels of resistance, they don't matter because when you look at the lows, and just notice how these lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you wanted to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to construct themselves in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building higher bases, and sit back and enjoy the trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.